So hey guys, welcome back to my channel SVD
Vlogs.
Today she will show you how to make waste out of best decoration.
So let's go. Hey guys, this Father's Day decoration was made for my dad and uncle. So Father's Day banner was made by me. So let's see how to make it. This is our birthday banner words. So let's see how to make it. So first of all we will see the materials. So guys, this is our tinted paper, waste tinted paper, because in our school we get the project book. So in the project book the situation is now COVID-19 situation is going, and that's why the project books of waste, that's why I taken the tinted paper and use it like this. So this is a tinted paper. The next material is waste paper bag. I have taken the waste paper bag. You can take the cardboard, it's optional. So this is our waste paper bag. You can take cardboards also. Then the next material is scissor, glue, pencil, scale, and this is design tapes. So let's start the video. First of all we want to take a waste paper bag and then we want to draw like this. So let's draw. So here is our pencil and scale. So let's draw this. So here is our drawing complete. So we will cut it. So hey guys, this is our cutout completed. This side is of 10 cm. Both sides are 10 cm. The upside is 7 cm. The down both sides are 4.5 cm. So let's draw alphabets. I am making for one alphabet. You can make any alphabets and you can stick it. Guys, this is our H completed. And now we'll stick it and design it. So let's go. So let's stick it. So I have stick it. Now design. So let's design with designing tape. So I am taking pink color. You can take any of your favorite color. And now we'll stick it. This is how you want to stick. Upside sticking is completed and do like this. Then it will properly stick. So our right side sticking is also completed, and now we will do left side. So our left side sticking is also completed. So we will do downside. So here is the sticking is completed, and the back side was like this. So you will stick like this. Otherwise you will cut, then also it is okay. So guys, this is how our birthday banner word completed. I have make one only. You can make all words for birthday party or any festival. So guys, I have made this anniversary name in different style. So guys, which one you have liked, please comment down this or this
So
one.
how was the today's video?
If you like, please share, subscribe to SVD Vlogs.